Is your time too limited to become a digital marketing expert? For some, this Beat Your Competition online course is a great introduction to digital marketing. To others, it's a great tutorial on a robust marketing intelligence tool that can accelerate your business. For others still, they will use the information in their daily work sparingly or to make more informed choices when it comes to selecting marketing agencies or employees. The point is, all of these are perfectly acceptable takeaways from this course. But as this course is produced by Euro Digital Partners, a US-European digital firm, we thought we'd take just a moment of your time to shamelessly plug their services. Euro Digital Partners targets startups, entrepreneurs, and small and medium-sized businesses with high growth potential. They also assist other agencies when they are over capacity. Euro Digital Partners offers several types of services, including digital marketing strategy and management, corporate event management and PR, landing page optimization, corporate speaking and presentation development, video creation, corporate communications and copywriting and editing, email marketing, website development and search engine optimization, search engine marketing, influencer marketing and brand development, Facebook SEO and PPC advertising, social media management, e-commerce, and security auditing. So even after this course is over, know that there is someone friendly you can trust in the digital marketing space. Schedule an appointment with Euro Digital Partners, calendly.com/Euro Digital Partners. If you found some interesting uses for the tools we've demonstrated for you in this course, do let us know. We look forward to hearing from you.